Do you think things happen for a reason? But do you also believe that you are somehow part of something bigger and all of the connections matter? Well, if that describes you, you likely have connectedness in your top 5 and your Clifton Strengths. And in today's episode, we're going to explore the connectedness theme, and we're starting right now. Hey everyone, my name is Gordon and welcome to another episode. If this is your first time with us and you want to learn more about Clifton Strengths, leading a strengths-based life, or anything else leadership related, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the bell notification so you don't miss any cool updates and any of our new episodes. Well, we're continuing to chug along through the Clifton Strengths 34 themes, and we're making our way next to connectedness. But before we jump into the connectedness theme, share with me in the comments below, again, what are your top 5? And how are you leveraging those top 5 to help you in your work life, in your career, in your family life, your social life? Share that with me in the comments below, and let's jump right in. So today's theme is connectedness. Now, connectedness is a relationship building theme. At its core, connectedness is about making meaning of things. Things happen for a reason. We know this. Through connectedness, we don't necessarily believe in coincidence. We understand that things may happen spontaneously. They may happen outside of our control, but we believe that it's connected to something that is larger, something that is bigger, something that is more impactful than maybe we can think through, comprehend, or understand in the moment. But we believe in our core that there's something bigger and something larger at play. And we want to make meaning of that. We want to connect with that. We want to understand it. And then we want to be able to use it to better serve others, to better connect with others, to explain things, to navigate issues. But going back, we want to make sense of why the things happen and what are the connective points of why it's happening. This is at the core of connectedness. When I think about connectedness in terms of leadership, it's having this heart, it's having this compassion, it's having this spirit that's deeply inside of us that wants us to make sense of meaning, to provide comfort, to provide understanding, to provide nurturing and care to other people. The whole premise of the connectedness theme is making sense of meaning so we can take responsibility for others, so that way we can support others, so that way we can be a gift and a treasure to other people. And as we make sense of these events, and as we connect the dots, for a lack of a better term, then we are feeling empowered. We are feeling that our superpowers now can come through, where we can provide this rich experience and this rich connective opportunity to be with other people, to support other people, and to nurture them. But it's all about connectedness, and it's all about making meaning to support other people. So if you like this episode, give us a thumbs up, like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it with a friend. We want to continue to build this community. If you like these episodes, don't forget to check in the upper right left corner for more episodes, for more videos, sharing all of these insights around the Clifton Strengths 34 themes. For more information on coaching and resources, don't forget to check the description below. We want to continue to build this community. We want to continue to provide value and to be able to connect with folks, to share how important leading a strengths-based life and understanding your natural gifts and talents, how important that is. So until the next time, until the opportunity we have to serve you again, be well, take care of yourself, and we'll see you very soon.